Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to the Zoom Zoom series. Today we are going to sing a song about slow and fast or quick. Okay, if you are having a very little babies or toddlers, you can do these actions. They will enjoy like anything. You can substitute these animals with anything. For example, vehicles. And if you are having a babies, you can do this action. They will love this action like anything. You can tickle them. You can enjoy with them. Shall we go to song?
Slowly, slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly up the garden rail. Quickly, very quickly runs the little mouse. Quickly, very quickly into his little house. Slowly, slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly up the garden rail. Quickly, very quickly runs the little mouse. Quickly, very quickly into his little house.
I hope you and your little one enjoy this song. We are going to see you again with some other song. Until then, bye bye. This is Zoom Zoom series.